Good morning. This is Mark Lefebvre from the Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District with your conservation report. And today I'd like to talk about a report from the National Wildlife Federation that was recently published dealing with extreme weather events and soil health. So I'd like to read a quick summary from this report. It starts out with healthy soil is underground insurance in extreme weather events. By improving soil quality via sustainable agriculture, American farmers can protect us from impacts of drought and flood. Healthy soil can protect us from drought and flood impacts, saving farms, rural communities, and even the American agriculture industry, according to the new report from the National Wildlife Federation. Climate change is increasing the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events such as drought and floods, often hitting farmers in rural America hardest. Decades of mechanized farming has left our soils degraded and particularly vulnerable to extreme weather, unable to retain water to withstand dry spells, and unable to soak up excess water during floods. Farmers are the first to feel the heat of extreme weather events, losing crops, livestock, and equipment. But consumers and taxpayers also pay through higher food prices and subsidized crop and flood insurance, as well as spending extensive resources on efforts to plan for and respond to extreme weather events. From 1980 to 2012, 16 drought events cost America $210 billion, and floods cost an average $7.96 billion per year. We can never prevent drought or floods, but we can get smarter about them, said Patricia White, the National Fish and Wildlife Senior Policy Specialist and author of this report. In addition to predicting extreme weather before and responding after, we can build soil quality to support farms when disaster hits. That healthy soil will act as a reservoir to hold moisture during a drought and the sponge to hold water during floods. And water held on our farm fields won't be flooding our homes and streets. For a fraction of what we now spend on extreme weather events, America could invest in improving soil health by promoting sustainable agricultural practices such as cover crops. USDA reports that for each 1% increase in organic matter from improving soil health, our cropland could store the amount of water that flows over Niagara Falls in 150 days. And we could reach 20 million acres of cover crops with a modest investment of about $740 million. So here in Stearns County, we have financial assistance through programs like the Environmental Quality Incentive Program to help farmers implement conservation practices like residue management, no-till, strip-till, and cover crops to improve the soil quality and to weatherproof these fields against these extreme, intense rain events like we've been seeing throughout the spring. So if you'd like more information on this, you can always give our office a call at 320-251-7800, extension 3. And this has been Mark Lefebvre from the Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District with your conservation report, and thanks for listening.